Jai Srimanarayana. 30th sloka of second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dehi nityam avadhyoyam dehe sarvasya bharata tasmat सर्वाणि भूतानि नत्वं शोचितुम् अर्हसि. Om. All souls, from devatas down to plants, even though they possess different bodies, they are all same, similar with their real nature, and they are all eternal. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita for every one of us, and asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall constantly remember that all the souls, they are all same, they are all similar in their real nature, and they are all eternal. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Vibhata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Budirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Satyavrata praying Srimanarayana Matsya Narayana, saying that, Hey Bhagavan, you are the one who grants the moksha. That is why I am surrendering to your divine feet. Achakshuhu andhasya yada agranihi kruta tadha janasya avidushaha abuddhaha guruhu. Bhagavan, those who have no eyes, and they will be guided by those who have eyes. That is how those who have jnanam will be guiding to other people for their ultimate purpose of life, which is realizing, self-realizing and Paramatma realization. And you are the one who will be giving jnanam to everyone. You are the supreme Guru. There is no other gurus. And if anyone approaches others thinking that they are the gurus, they will get a result just like as and how a blind guides other blind. So, Bhagavan, there will be no use at all by treating others as gurus, by approaching others thinking that they are gurus. In this world, there are some people, though they are in the cycle of this birth and death, and they will have no realization about the self and Paramatma, still they claim that they are gurus. And they are teaching all bad paths to all other people. Bhagavan, Tvam sarvalokasya sukhrut priya Ishvaraha Atma Guruhu Jnanam Abhishta Siddhihi Chelivai Chuttamavai Manasthitudavai Chinmurtivai Atmavai Korkulapantavai Vibhudavai. Bhagavan, I realize that you are the Supreme Guru. You are the one who gives real Jnanam. You are the well-wisher of entire universe. You are the best companion to everyone. You are the controller of all these worlds. And you are the one who fulfills wishes of everyone. You are Paramatma. Like that, Satyavrata praying Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 2nd chapter 30th श्लोक. देही नित्यमवध्योऽयं देहे सर्वस्य भारत तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि. देही नित्यमवध्योऽयं देहे सर्वस्य भारत तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.